Hi friends, so this is also the exercise 5.3. So these examples are based on inverse trigonometric function. What are derivative of inverse trigonometric function? So already we discussed what is inverse trigonometric function, what are the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. So already we know that. Okay, so I can discuss some of the standard formula, that is, so first one already we know that d by dx of sin inverse of x, d by dx of sin inverse of x. Second one, d by dx of cos inverse of x. Third one, d by dx of tan inverse of x, derivative of tan inverse of x. So fourth one, d by dx of cot inverse of x. So fifth one, d by dx of sec inverse of x, and last sixth one, d by dx of cosec inverse of x, d by dx of cosec inverse of x. So already we find the this type, we find the formulas for this one. So what is that formula for derivative of sin inverse of x? That is 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, and what is the derivative of cos inverse of x? Minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. What is the derivative of cot inverse of x is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x. What is the derivative of sec inverse of x is 1 divided by x into the root of x square minus 1. Okay, then what is the derivative of cosec inverse of x? That is minus 1 divided by x into root of x square minus 1. X square minus 1. These are six inverse trigonometric functions formula are there. So sin inverse of x and cos inverse of x are same, but sign are different. This is positive sign, this is negative sign. Same cot inverse or tan inverse of x and cot inverse of x are also same. So here also plus minus. So here also plus and minus. So the remembering this formula is very easy. So these formulas are very important, students. Okay, first make note of this formula. So already I solved 3 formula, and you people also try some 3 inverse trigonometric angle. Okay, these are the important formula. These formulas are used in these examples. When we find the derivative of inverse trigonometric function, then we will use this all formulas, all 6 inverse trigonometric formula. Okay, first write down this formula. Okay, students, these examples are very easy. So, but we know the some standard trigonometric functions you studied in first PUC concept. Okay, so already we know that some of the standard formulas. So depending upon that formula, we can solve this inverse trigonometric function examples. Okay, so here what is there? Let 9 for example, y is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So students, remembering that here sin inverse function is there. In the bracket we did get sin function, then sin inverse sin get cancelled, the remaining is answer. Is clear that? So already we know that the formula for sin, there are 2 formula for sin function, that is 2 sin theta and cos theta, and another one is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Here instead of x, what we have to put that? Put x is equal to tan theta. If you put x equal to tan theta, so this expression become 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is the formula for sin 2 theta. Is clear that? So sin inverse sin get cancelled, theta will be your answer. Is clear that? So we know that. So here put x equal to tan theta. This implies that theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Okay, then your expression y is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta. X is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. So already we know that sin 2 theta. What is the formula for sin 2 theta? There are two formula. Sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is the formula. Clear that? That's why we put x equal to tan theta. Okay? So this is the formula for sin 2 theta. So that is equal to sin inverse of sin 2 into theta. This is the formula for sin 2 theta. So sin inverse, sin get cancelled. The remaining term is 2 into theta. 2 into what is your theta? So this is your y, not divided by x. Just to simplify the inverse trigonometric function term. Okay? So y is equal to 2 into what is your theta? Theta is tan inverse of x. Theta is tan inverse of x. Okay? This is y. Then we find dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to, take 2 as a common term. Then what is the derivative of tan inverse of x? So derivative of y is dy by dx. Take 2 as a common term. Then what is the derivative of tan inverse of x? So derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay? So that is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus x square is the answer. Very simple example it is. Very important example for 2 marks. Okay? First student remembering that in the bracket we put some of the trigonometric functions and we got some important formula. Here sin or sin get cancelled. So all the examples are based on this type of methods. Okay? So this is very easy. So sin inverse function is there. So in the bracket we get sin function, then sin or sin get cancelled, the remaining cancel. So what are the formula for sin function? So obviously we know that put x equal to sum of the trigonometric function is a tan theta. 2 tan theta to 1 plus tan square theta is the formula. So then we will get sin inverse and sin. Is clear that? This is the example choice. Okay? Write on this example. Students, this is also example, that is y equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. So first remember that, so in the bracket we get tan function because tan inverse tan get cancelled. What is the formula for tan? So tan 2 theta or tan 3 theta or tan of a plus b formula it is. So here tan 2 theta formula not. What is the formula for tan 2 theta? Same 2 tan theta to 1 minus tan square theta. So this is obviously not a term. Okay? So already we know that one some formula, that is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. It is nothing but tan 3 theta is a formula. So remember students, what is that? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is nothing but this is tan 3 theta formula. This is tan 3 theta formula. So already we know that in first place we already studied that this formula. So 3 tan theta minus tan cube, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is tan 3 theta formula. Okay? Directly we apply. So then what is the term? Put x equal to here put x equal to tan 3 theta. Put x equal to tan theta. This implies that theta is nothing but tan inverse of x. Theta is nothing but tan inverse of x. Then y is equal to tan inverse of 3 into x is nothing but tan theta minus x cube is nothing but tan cube theta whole divided by 1 minus 3 x square is nothing but tan square theta. So already we know that this formula, obviously tan inverse of tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta, tan inverse tan get cancelled. So y equal to 3 into theta. So y equal to 3 into what is your theta? Theta is your tan inverse of x. Very simple example it is. Just to remember that what we have to put the value of x. We put the value of x, answer will come. Okay. So here Then what we have to find that? Then divide by x. Then divide by x equal to 3 as a common. So what is the derivative of tan inverse of x? 1 divided by 1 plus x square. The answer is 3 divided by 1 plus x square. Very simple. Okay, right on. So students, 9th one is over, 10th one is over. So 11th one, try yourself. 11th one, what is there? Y equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. This is also obviously one formula. So put x equal to tan theta. Obviously, you got one standard formula. Okay. So this is also next example is also. So some different example it is 12th one as well as 13th one. 12th one as well as 13th one. Here, what is 12th one? Y equal to sin inverse of 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. So already we know that only there are two formula for sin function. Here sin inverse is there. So in the bracket sin, what is the formula? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is the formula. But this is not possible. Is clear that? So this is the formula for when we put x equal to tan theta. So 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos 2 theta is the formula. Is clear that? This is cos 2 theta. When we put x equal to tan theta, so this is formula for cos 2 theta, but this sin inverse function is there. At the time, change this angle as a sin angle. That is nothing but sin of 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. So this is useful in this example. Cos 11th example already I give that your homework example here. Put x equal to tan theta. This is cos 2 theta formula. Here check that this is cos inverse of sin inverse of. Okay. This is cos 2 theta formula obviously. So this is not sin 2 theta formula. This is cos 2 theta formula. Then we converted cos to sin function. Okay. So here let put x equal to tan theta. Put x equal to tan theta. This implies that what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Okay. Then y is equal to sin inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta is the formula. So y is equal to sin inverse of cos 2 theta formula. So here sin inverse function is there, here sin is there, then automatically sin inverse sin get cancelled. But this is cos function. So already we know that sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta is the formula. Is clear? So then cos theta can be written as sin of 90 minus theta. Okay, that is equal to sin inverse of cos 2 theta can be written as sin of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Sin of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Is clear that? Then sin inverse side get cancelled. The remaining y term is pi by 2 minus 2 into theta. So y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 into what is your theta? Theta is nothing but tan inverse of x. So this is not divided by x, it's only y. Then we differentiate. Then what is the value? Then derivative of y is dy by dx equal to derivative of pi by 2. Derivative of constant function is 0. Derivative of pi by 2 is 0. Minus 2 into derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. That is nothing but minus 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Is clear that? Very simple example it is. This is first cos 2 theta, then cos function can be converted into sin function by using 90 minus theta. Is clear that, students? So write down this example. Same as this example is also same. What is that? Y is equal to cos inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So 2x divided by 1 plus x square is the formula for sin 2 theta. Already we solved that. But this is cos inverse of formula is there. So here this both examples are same. Remember that, student? So here cos inverse is there. This is not a cos formula. So here put x equal to tan theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is Sin 2 theta is the formula. Cos inverse sin does not cancel. So sin 2 theta can be converted into cos. That is cos of 90 minus like that. Okay. So this is also your example. Okay. Write this example fast. So students, this is also very easy example. So when we put x is equal to sin theta or cos, here we do not put x equal to tan theta. Okay. So this is sin inverse of 2 sin theta root of 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. That is cos theta. So here already we solved this type of example in inverse trigonometric function chapter. So you know that student, that is show that sin inverse of 2x in the bracket root of 1 minus x is equal to 2 sin inverse of x in the range x lies between minus 1 by root 2 to plus 1 by root 2. And in the range there are two ranges, minus 1 by root 2 to plus 1 by root 2 or 1 by root 2 1. This is the range. Okay. So when minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 range, we will put x equal to sin theta. We will put what is that? X is equal to sin theta. Okay. So here in this example we will put x equal to sin theta, same answer. X equal to cos theta, same answer. But you see the range, what is x lies between minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, then we will put x equal to sin theta. Suppose this is the range, x lies between 0 to 1 by root 2. 0 to 1 by root 2, at that time we put the range should be cos. That is x equal to cos theta. Here this is negative as well as positive term is there. So we will put x equal to sin theta. Okay. So here put x equal to sin theta. Then y is equal to, this implies that what is the value of theta? Theta equal to sin inverse of x. Sin inverse of 2x is nothing but sin theta, root of 1 minus x square is nothing but sin square theta. Okay, that is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin theta as this is root of 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Is clear that here square and root get cancelled. Is clear that? So this is sin inverse of 2 sin theta into square and root get cancelled, that is cos theta. So already we know that the formula sin inverse of 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta is the formula. Here sin inverse sin get cancelled, 2 into theta, that is equal to 2 into theta is, what is the value of theta? Sin inverse of x. This is your 1. Okay, then dy by dx. Then dy by dx equal to, take 2 as a common, what is the derivative of sin inverse of x? 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 divided by root of 1 minus x square is the answer. Very simple example it is. Suppose we will give the range, that is x lies between minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, we will put x equal to sin. Okay. Suppose 0 to plus root is there. So x lies between 0 to 1 by root 2. Then we will put x equal to cos theta. Is clear that? This is very important example, friends. So write on this example. Okay. Students, this is also an example. This is also very important example. Here y equal to sec inverse of 1 divided by 2x square minus 1 is there. Okay, check. Wherever we put x equal to some of standard trigonometric angle, then we will got some of the trigonometry like sec as well as cos. Okay, first of all, we put x equal to, what is that, tan? 2 tan square theta minus 1, there is no formula. 2 sin square theta minus 1, there is no formula. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, 2 cos square theta minus 1 is the standard formula. Do we know that? What is that? 2 cos square theta minus 1 is nothing but cos 2 theta is the formula. Okay, very good. So put x equal to cos theta, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is the formula for cos 2 theta. So this is of the form 1 divided by cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta shifted to numerator, it will become sec. So obviously can cancel square. So think this way. Okay students. So here put x equal to cos theta. This implies that theta is, what is that? Theta is nothing but cos inverse of x. Okay. Then y is equal to sec inverse of 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, is equal to sec inverse of 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta is the formula. So sec inverse of this will become 1 by cos is nothing but sec 2 theta. 1 by cos 2 theta is sec 2 theta. Sec inverse sec get cancel. 2 into theta. 2 into what is your theta? Theta is nothing but cos inverse of x. Okay, this is your y. Then we will find dy by x. Then dy by x equal to, take 2 as a common term. What is the derivative of cos inverse of x? So minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. That is minus 2 divided by root of 1 minus x square is the formula. Okay, this is very important example students. So here in this exercise, that is 5.3, what are the examples? Examples are based on implicit function as inverse trigonometric functions. So these two type of examples are very important example for 2 marks fixed question. Okay, so students, so please make note of this all examples and complete your work what I have given in this videos. Okay, next class will discuss exponential function as well as logarithmic function. Okay, thank you.